how to fix no internet connection problem in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can solve the problem of no internet connection in Capcut. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, make sure to check whether your internet connection is good or not. If you already have a good internet connection and you are still facing the problem, then there might be the other issues. First thing you can do is go to the Play Store on your device and search for Capcut application. Once you find the Capcut application, ensure that the application is updated. If there is update on the application, make sure to update it. If that also doesn't help, then you can uninstall the Capcut application and install it again. Once you follow these steps, the issue should probably be fixed. If it does not get fixed, then wait for some time until the developer of the Capcut application addresses it and solves it. So this much for this video. I hope you guys understood this tutorial. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.